beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today I figured we can do a drugstore starter kit, which is basically a full face full of drugstore products and affordable makeup. You do not have to start off with buying the most expensive makeup to get the best results. So let's get right into this video. I did my brows on camera, but it got messed up and it was just a whole ordeal, and I didn't want to show an hour of brows and they didn't even come out looking the best. So I just scratched the whole thing and figured I would just start off with eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using this beautiful Profusion Cosmetics palette, and this is just their palette called Sunkissed. I have their Mirage palette. I love Profusion. Their products are just so amazing. I'm going to this pretty light color, and this is called Latte. I'm just gonna put Latte all over my lid. I'm gonna go into the yellow. Let's do the yellow. Just gonna place that kind of in my crease. Next, I'm going to take my NYX Bear With Me primer spray, and I'm just going to spray my brush. I'm going to go in with the shade Topaz. I'm just going to gather that up. Ooh, I love this. Look at that. So I'm just going to put that right in the middle first. Just going to drag it down. Look at that pigmentation though. Just gonna start working towards the inner corner of my eye. So next I'm just gonna go in lightly with this pretty brown shade, and this is called Adventurous. So I'm just gonna take Adventurous, and I'm just gonna take my blending brush. I'm gonna lightly tap into it. I don't want to darken up the look too much, but I do want to blend this orange in. So I'm just going to take it on my outer V. I'm just going to go back in with the yellow. I'm going to go back in with the topaz. Just going to darken it up a little bit. I'm going to go back in with the pretty brown. I'm going to darken up just a little bit more on that outer V. I just messed up my shadow. That's okay though. I'm gonna take the same brush and I'm just gonna dig into this pretty sparkly brown shade. And I'm just gonna kind of connect it with the orange and the outer V. I'm just gonna do this to this eye and I will be right back. I have here my E.L.F. lashes, and these are in the style Drama Queen. These are approximately like $5 or $6 on E.L.F.'s website. Very affordable, very beautiful. I actually have worn these in my total face of E.L.F. video, and I love these lashes. So I'm just going to take my Kiss lash adhesive, which is really crusty, so don't judge me, but I purchased mine off Amazon or off of Ulta's website, but you can find this in stores as well, beauty supply stores. It's only like $4, if that, maybe like $3, and this is the best lash adhesive I've ever tried. I used to use hair glue, of course. Once I found this though, never went back. Never even did my lashes dirty like that ever again. I'm gonna take my Essence Lash Princess Mascara. I'm just gonna coat my lashes. Very affordable product, and it gets the job done, so not complaining. I love Essence makeup though. They have a lot of affordable products that are actually very high quality. Look how beautiful in like the volume that it just gives my look is just like so pretty. So pretty. I love these lashes, you guys. Yes, Yes to drugstore products. Yes, yes, yes. So I'm gonna take my NYX Bear With Me primer spray, and I'm just gonna set my face up for success. If you do not want to spend $10 on that, you can spend, I think, $5 or $6 on the Wet n Wild 3-in-1 primer water. I do love this primer water so much. So here I have the Luminous Putty Primer, and then I have the Matte Poreless Primer. These are amazing. So I'm just gonna, look, I've been tearing it up. I'm just gonna take the Luminous, and I'm just going to apply it around my nose area. I do have a really dry nose, so this does help my foundation not crack and stick right there. Then I just go in with the Matte Putty Primer, and I just apply that to my cheek area as well as my forehead. So let's jump into foundation. So here I have the Covergirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. I have mine in the shade M10. I love this foundation, especially in the summer. Flawless. So I'm just gonna take this, and I'm just going to squirt. I'm just gonna pump a couple pumps onto my E.L.F. Total Face Sponge, which is my favorite sponge, okay? Tap it around. I don't know why I look so pale today in the camera. Well, I am pale, but I look super pale in this camera. This foundation is buildable coverage. It is definitely a great summer foundation, once again, because it's matte. So, if you have oily skin, this is perfect for you. Me, I don't necessarily have oily skin, but it still works with my dry skin too, so. I haven't used this in a while, so I actually kind of forgot how good it was, or how good it is. So I'm gonna take this Profusion Cosmetics Foundation Buffing Brush. This is the FD1. I love Profusion Cosmetics once again. So they just came out with a brush collection. I just wanted to try it for the first time with you guys. This brush is bomb, so I'm just gonna give this A+ so far. So for concealer, I'm gonna go in with this Covergirl True Blend Concealer. Is it called True Blend? True Blend Undercover Concealer. I have mine in this shade Buff Beige. This concealer, I heard, is a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape. I have not tried that yet. I do want to try Shape Tape, but I have a thing with trying overhyped products, so this definitely needs to be in your drugstore kit collection, because if it's a dupe for the high-end concealer, why not? I have it in my collection because it does give me a beautiful, flawless finish. It does cover up my creases under my eye, and it's just gorgeous. I love it. I'm actually kind of running out of it. I used to use this all the time when I first got started, so I'm definitely running out, and I need to go buy some more. So to contour, I'm just going to use the Revlon Photo Ready Instafix. I had to look at the name. Don't judge me. Instafix Foundation Stick, and mine is in 190 Caramel. This foundation stick was approximately $3 on Amazon, and you can also purchase this at drugstores like CVS, Walmart, Walgreens. You need it in your collection for just a quick go, you know, just real quick. Let's get it together. Let's get our look together. It's very, very creamy as well. So I'm gonna go on with a different sponge. Look at that concealer finish. Like, do you see that? I'm just gonna take my favorite concealer brush, and I don't even know if this is a concealer brush, but I use it as such. I don't know why I even brush my baby hairs before I do videos, because this is the most pointless part of my life. All my work just gone. I'm gonna go on my sponge and just kind of blend that concealer out. Gonna go back in, tighten up that blend. Next, I'm gonna go in with my NYX HD finishing powder, and I just like to just set my under eye with this because it just helps like set the concealer better. So to set the face, I'm gonna go in with my Rimmel Stay Matte Setting Powder. This is in the shade Transparent. I've actually had this powder for a while. It was actually one of the maybe first 3 powders that I purchased when I first started doing this makeup journey, and I loved it. Like, I took pictures and everything, and like flash pictures, and flashback stood no chance, okay? Not a chance. So I'm just gonna take this round tapered powder brush, the PD8 brush from Profusion. I'm just gonna dab into this slightly and lightly, tapping off just a tad bit. I'm just gonna then I'm gonna go in with a sponge. I do recommend this powder for starting off because, for one, it comes with a reasonable amount so that you don't feel like you wasted your money if you do not like it. As well as it being affordable and just easy to get your hands on. Like, I think, where did I buy this? I don't even know if I bought it off Ulta. I want to say I bought it from Amazon. So I'm gonna just take the sponge and the NYX Bear With Me primer spray, spray the sponge, you know the routine. So now I'm just gonna go in with blush. So I have my Milani blush, and then I have this Fit Me blush. I think I wanna do the Fit Me blush just to try it. And this is in the color Mauve, which I love mauve colors. I'm just going to take this angled powder brush, also from Profusion Cosmetics, and this is PD3. See how it just adds like a light glow? Nothing too like super like extra. This is why it's perfect for a starter kit for drugstore products, because starting off you don't want to just do like a super harsh red, pink, whatever, because you want to build up. So I do recommend this one though, and mine is in the shade Luminiso. Super affordable as well. See, it's very light, very slight, very light, not too much, just to give you the pop that you need on those cheeks. So I'm just gonna take the Blush and Glow 1 Profusion Cosmetics Blush and Highlighter Palette. Now I do have the second version of this one. As you can see, I dug my nail into that, so don't mind it. I do have the second version and I absolutely love it. So I just really am so excited to try this because these colors are just, yes, everything. So I'm going to try the orange shade mixed with the golden shade. I'm just going to take this flat setting powder brush, PD5 is the name of it. And and this is also from Profusion as well, if you can't tell. All their brushes look the same. I'm falling in love with these brushes, okay? Thinking about getting all of them. So let's try this highlighter. Ooh, glow. Look at that. Okay. Alright, Profusion, y'all showing out today. It's so wet and glowy, and okay. Drugstore starter kit. 101 with Mommy Momo. Come through. So next I'm just gonna take my NYX brow mascara. I have mine in the shade Black. This is a must to set those brows. Like, I used to not like set them, but once I started like using this and setting them, I noticed how they last longer, and like after all the powders and everything you put on, your brows need like some revamping. For lips, I want to go in with this Milani lip pencil, and this is in the shade 04 All Natural. This looks kind of brown on camera, but it's really like a mauve pink. Very, very pretty. So I'm going to take the NYX Butter Gloss, and this is in the shade Fortune Cookie. Holy grail. I'm telling you, this needs to be a part of your drugstore starter kit. If it is not, you're tripping. These glosses are just phenomenal. This is such a bomb formula. To everyone lately who has told me they got it because I recommended it, thank you for listening. This is a bomb. Okay, so lastly, we're just gonna set our face. I'm gonna go in with the Milani Make It Dewy Setting Mist. Check that up. So refreshing. This smells so good. I love, love, love Milani setting sprays. And then I'm gonna go in with the NYX Matte Finish setting spray, and I'm just gonna spray that like on my forehead and my chin. Alright guys, that concludes our drugstore starter kit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys go out and purchase some of these items to start your collection off and then grow from there. And yeah, I hope to do one of these again soon because there are so many great products to start a drugstore starter kit with. I hope everybody has a great week, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!